He's asking about the place during Hajj where they stoned the devil. Sorry.
You come here to...
Sorry, sir. She's asking about the place during Hajj where they stoned Iblis. She's asking...
three Jumras, huh?
Yes, and she's asking why specifically they have chosen that specific place. Why not another location?
It's a very difficult question. Why this place and why not that place? Huh? That question can be extended to Mecca as well. Why Mecca this place and why not any other place? So it's just a guesswork. Personally, when I think of it, I think there could be three places during the time of Hazrat Ibrahim ﷺ where Satan tried to attack him, and he cursed him with stones, not like this, but like A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem. Rajeem means the one who is stoned. So he might have sent Lanat to Satan and made him run away. So those spots particularly were chosen by God to throw stones as symbols, to remind you that you will not be able to kill your Satan with these stones, but turn to the real stones of A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem and pelt your Satan with those stones. I think that is a symbolic message, and that's all.